Okay children, today we are learning how to write the alphabet M. And M says M. See now how I am holding my pencil and I am starting. I am starting from the middle of the second and the third line. In a slanting way, I touch the second line, come down straight to the third line. Again I go up in the same line, hop, touch the second line, come down again to the third line. Again I am going up, hopping, come down again to the third line and a small kick. Now don't worry, I will show you again how we will write M. See here, from the middle of the second and the third line I am starting, slanting way I am going up to the second line, I come down to the third line straight, again I go up, touch the second line, come down again to the third line, again I go up, hop, touch the second line, come down again to the third line and a kick. Now this is the way we have to practice further. Okay. Okay children, now we will be doing some picture reading of the alphabet M. So M says M. Okay. So first is mosquito, mango, mouse, marigold, man, mug, monkey, mirror. Okay. Now we will practice it again.